Nature is always the solid or the foundation of everything. For example, the design of planes, it was actually taken from how birds are able to then fly swiftly across the sky. If you look at the buildings that you see these days, it's actually something or the concept that was taken from termite mounds. Kids are now limited in terms of going into the outdoor environment. It's something that's missing in the educational system, if I may put it like that. We need to try and sometimes just relax, come back to the origin where everything started. Matatane Outdoor Education Camp, it's one of the oldest educational camp in South Africa. Presently, we're looking at about 35 years of operations. The best part about this camp is that we are so flexible in terms of what can be able to offer. We are based in one of the richest areas when it comes to culture and history. We have beautiful activities that are linked to the curriculum, both the IBE and the CAPS curriculum. We are very flexible when it comes to the creation of programs. If you need something historical and cultural or socio-ecologically linked, we are able to offer you that. If you are looking at leadership camps or just an adventure, we are able to give you that. And if you are a student looking for research on various topics, whether they range from animals to your biotic factors, geomorphology or astrology, we are able to then offer you that.
Bacon is delicious. Bacon is very nice. Bacon is very
nice. The activities that we offer will be there to challenge you mentally. They will be able to challenge you as a team holistically, and they'll also be there to challenge you in terms of your understanding and your knowledge about the environment itself. Not only do we then focus on the outside part of it only, but we also focus on the information that we can be able to provide you in the classroom as well. The beautiful obstacle course that we have here, it tests your strength as well as the communication amongst the team itself. The zipline course that we have, 5 platforms and 4 zips. It will take you across the beautiful gorges of the Matatane area. And then as you go down to the river and you carry out the beautiful river rafting project, you test your communication skills. It's a matter of the engagement or the unity amongst the group. So safety is a priority here at Matatane. We always look at the activities from a safety point of view before anything else. Going outdoor, the outdoor classroom in particularly, it's one of the key concepts or the key areas that schools need to try and tap deeper into, because it provides a better understanding. Even with some of the information that they provide in the classroom, it links back into the environment.